Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to go down a line in Google Sheets. Whether you're trying to move around your spreadsheet to keep things organized, or you want to add a new line right inside a single cell to make your data more readable, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know both the basics and a little pro tip you'll use all the time. Alright, let's dive right in. First, let's say you have a sheet full of data and you want to move to a cell that's below the one you're currently in. The absolute simplest way is to just use the down arrow on your keyboard. It's that easy. Press the down arrow and you'll move directly to the cell underneath. Think of it like walking down a staircase. One step at a time, you just point your arrow down, and Google Sheets moves your selection to the next box below. Of course, you can also use your mouse. If you prefer clicking, just point your mouse cursor at the cell you want to go to and give it a click. Sometimes, if you have a really big spreadsheet with lots of rows, it's actually more efficient to use the arrow keys. Your hands never have to leave the keyboard, and you can zip around super quickly. But don't worry if you prefer the mouse, it's about finding what feels best for you. Now here where things get interesting and where a lot of people get stuck. What if you want to go down a line but inside the same cell? Maybe you're taking notes, writing addresses, or want to make a list inside a single cell for clarity. If you just hit enter or the down arrow while typing, Google Sheets will just jump you into the next cell below. But what you want is a line break, kind of like making a new paragraph in Word or Google Docs right within that cell. Here's the trick: after you've written your first bit of text in the cell, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and then press enter. That's Control plus Enter if you're on Windows or Linux. If you're on a Mac, it's Command plus Enter. You'll see your cursor go straight down beneath your first line right inside that same cell. Now you can keep typing, and each time you want to add a new line, just use that same combo, Control plus Enter or Command plus Enter. This is great for things like entering addresses, bullet points, or lists without spreading your information across multiple cells. For example, if you're recording contact info, you might type a name, then use Control plus Enter to drop down and enter their address, phone number, and notes all within that one neat cell. Don't worry if it doesn't work right away. Sometimes you'll need to make sure you're actually typing inside the cell, not just selecting it. A quick double click on the cell or pressing F2 will get you into edit mode. And that's all there is to it. Next time you're organizing your Google Sheets and want to move down a line, either to the next cell or inside the cell itself, you've got two simple methods that'll save you time and frustration. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share how you use this trick, and be sure to subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.